Welcome to a quick and practical guide on how to make your Facebook friends list public. Updated for today's app layout. If you've ever wondered who can see your friends, this video will walk you through the exact steps so you know what others can view and you can adjust your privacy with confidence. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. You'll usually land on your newsfeed, so we'll start from the main menu and move towards settings. Next, tap the menu icon to reveal more options. This is where you'll find settings and privacy. Open that, then select settings. From here, you're in control of who can see your information, so this is the moment to navigate to the right section. Look for the audience and visibility area. In this section, you'll see various options about who can find you and contact you. You want to focus on your friends list visibility, so locate the option labeled how people can find and contact you. Tap on who can see your friends list. This is where you decide the audience for your connections. You'll be presented with several choices. Choose friends, except to broaden access while keeping some level of privacy. This option makes your friends visible to most people, but not everyone. Finally, confirm your selection by choosing friends. This step ensures that your friends list is visible to people who are already connected with you as friends, while excluding non-friends who might search for your profile. Tap Save to lock in your choice and apply the changes. And that's it. Your friends list visibility is set to friends, except with the final confirmation directing the scope to friends. If you ever want to adjust again, you can follow the same path and switch to a more restrictive setting like Only Me, or broaden further if needed. To recap, open the app, go to Settings and Privacy, open Settings, find how people can find and contact you. Select who can see your friends list, choose Friends Accept, pick Friends, and hit Save. You've updated your privacy and made your social graph visible to the right audience.